In our last video, we learned all about stocks and bonds. But let's be honest, with thousands of companies out there, how do you even begin to choose? What if you pick the wrong one? It can feel risky and complicated, but what if there was a way to buy hundreds or even thousands of stocks all at once in one single click? Let me introduce you to your new best friend in investing, the ETF. Think of it like this. Instead of going through the supermarket and buying every single fruit one by one, you can just grab a ready-made shopping basket that already contains a perfect mix. An ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund, is exactly that, an investment shopping basket. So why is this basket approach so popular, especially for beginners? The first huge benefit is instant diversification. By owning the basket, you are not just betting on one company or one fruit, you are spread across many. So if one company performs poorly, it doesn't spoil your entire investment. This is the single best way to lower your risk. The second benefit is simplicity and low cost. Imagine the effort and transaction fees of buying 100 individual stocks. With an ETF, you buy that entire collection in one single transaction on the stock exchange, just like buying a single stock, and their annual fees are typically incredibly low. Let's make this real. In Germany, the DAX index tracks the 40 largest and most successful public companies. You can buy a DAX ETF. When you buy just one share of that ETF, you instantly own a small piece of all 40 of those companies. You're invested in the giant of German industry all in one simple step. And the best part, there are thousands of different ETFs. You can buy a basket of the world's biggest companies, a basket of just tech companies, or even a basket of thousands of safe government bonds. You can build your entire investment strategy using these simple, powerful tools. So let's recap. An ETF is a basket of investments. It's the go-to choice for smart beginners because it's diversified, simple to use, and very low cost. It takes the guesswork out of picking individual stocks. You now understand the three core building blocks of modern investing: stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You're ready to take the next step. If this guide helped you, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe to Invest with Enamul so you don't miss what's next.